Hello, boys and girls. It's time to learn new words and listen to a new story. So please bring your reading and writing workshop book and let's start. Page 30. All right. These are the words, the new words that we need to learn and know for this lesson. Down, out, up, very. So let's watch and listen.
Down. This is the word down. Say it with me. Down. Down. We go down the steps.
Very good. Next.
Out. They go out to play.
One more time.
Out. They go out to play.
Very good. Next word.
Up. They went up the hill.
As you see in the picture.
Up. They went up the hill.
And then last word.
Very. It is very loud in the city.
One more time.
Very. It is very loud in the city.
Let's listen to the definition of the word very.
Very. This is the word very. Say it with me. Very.
And they show you that it's loud. Awesome. All right. Let's go and read them together again. Down. We go down the steps. So the highlighted word, this is the word that we will be seeing it and pay attention to it in our next story. Out. They go out to play. Up. They went up the hill. Very. It's very loud in the city. Now, say the sentence for each word and then make up another sentence. So you need to read it and make up another sentence. So I'm gonna do some examples and you will do the same. Down, I sat down. Out, we can go out to play. Up, look up. Very, I'm very happy today. All right. Awesome, boys and girls. So these are the new words you learn and listen to their definitions and sentence. So if you need to remember this, just play the video one more time and pause whenever you want. All right, let's turn the page and go for the new phonics rules for today, short I. Remember the previous lesson, we had the short A and we were saying like pat, mat, sat. Today we will be covering short I. Let's listen, and these, some of the words you will be seeing in our next story.
Short I. The letter I can make the short I sound in 6.
All right, let's read and listen for more words and examples with the short I.
It is sit, him, big, dip, kid, pig, lid, sick, kiss, miss.
All right, again, we're talking about and learning the new phonics short I. I'm gonna be playing it one more time and try to say the word and repeat it after the video. So after each time you listen to the word, just repeat it.
It is sit, him, big, dip, kid, pig, lid, sick, kiss, miss.
So this is what you need to do. As you see, they highlight the word when they say it, and there's underline under the letter I. So this is the I, the short I. So when you say the word and you're looking, pay attention because this also will help you for spelling. So your turn now.
It is sit, him, big, dip, kid, pig, lid, sick, kiss, miss.
Very good. Let's go for next page, page 33. Listen to more words.
Nick ran up a big hill. Will he sit with Jill?
So as you see, we used the short I in the word Nick, big, hill, will, sit with Jill. All right.
Your turn. Look for these words with short I in 6 kids. 6 kids, hill, dig, pick, dip, will, fix, it.
Okay, so these words, we will be seeing them in our story. Next one I'm going to read now. And I would like you to pay attention because when you see it or spot it, you need to just say it. You don't need to underline it or circle in your book. Just say it. You say, oh, 6. All right, I'm going to put the words one more time. Let's listen.
Your turn. Look for these words with short I in 6 kids. 6 kids, hill, dig, pick, dip, will, fix, it.
Okay, so this is the rules for short I, and these are the words, and there are many, many words, but these are the words that we'll be seeing in our story. So let's start, page 34.
Genre, fantasy, essential question. What is it like where you live? Read about what an animal family does where they live.
All right, we're still covering the weekly theme, which is the essential question about where we live. And we talked about the genre fantasy. Fantasy is a story that made up characters and the setting and event cannot be happen and it's not true, it's a fantasy. So let's start. 6 kids, page 35.
6 kids.
All right, as you see, I can see 6 kids, little chicks, and I see the mom and a dad. All right, turn the page.
6 kids go out. 6 kids go up a hill.
Don't forget to spot the words. I see 2 already. Next page.
6 kids dig, dig, dig. 6 kids go down.
Let's turn the page.
6 kids pick, pick, pick.
Next.
6 kids are very blue.
Turn the page.
6 kids dip, dip, dip. That will fix it. 6 kids like it here.
And that's it. Let's go back to our story and listen, pay attention, and be ready to answer question. Remember, we're looking for the word 6, kids, hell, dig, pick, dip, well, fix, it. All right, let's start.
6 kids. 6 kids go out.
Yes, we see 2 words now, 6 and kids. Very good.
6 kids go up a hill.
And this is the third word, hell. All right. So can you see the 6 kids, the 6 baby chicks? What they have? They have certain tools in their hands? Yes. They have garden tools. All right. And you can see where they live in a farm. What do you think they're gonna do? Let's find out. Turn the page.
6 kids dig, dig, dig. 6 kids go down.
So what did the 6 kids do here? They're digging. What do you think they're doing? Since they have garden tools and they're diggings, I think they will be planting. Let's turn the page.
6 kids pick, pick, pick.
Awesome.
6 kids are very blue.
So what they're picking? Blueberries. And what happened to them over here in this page? Yes, they turned blue because of the blueberries. So they plant blueberries, and now it was the time to pick their fruits or their harvest. Turn the page.
6 kids dip, dip, dip. That will fix it. 6 kids like it here.
So tell me what happened over here on page 42. Listen again.
6 kids dip, dip, dip. That will fix it.
So what they're doing? They're getting clean, right? So they're cleaning up in the pond because, remember, they turned blue from planting and picking up and eating the blueberry. And can you tell me, page 43, you think that 6 kids are happy? They're happy. They had lots of fun. They enjoy eating their favorite fruits, the one they planted, and they even swim and clean up in the pond. All right? So we're gonna listen one more time because you need to retell the story. Means you saying it using your words. So listen just and pay attention.
6 kids.
Okay.
6 kids go out. 6 kids go up a hill. 6 kids dig, dig, dig.
This is one of our words and we need to find it.
6 kids go down. 6 kids pick, pick, pick. 6 kids are very,
Oops, sorry.
6 kids are very blue. 6 kids dip, dip, dip. That will fix it.
Okay. When I ask you to retell stories, it's usually you tell me key details. You tell me information about the story. You give me a meaningful sentence. And you should be saying or telling the story in sequence, in order. So what happened first, then next, then last. So let's turn the page and see this. All right, listen.
Comprehension, key details. Key details help you understand a story. The sequence is the order in which the key details happen. Find text evidence. Find a key detail about what the 6 kids do first. 6 kids go up a hill.
So that's the first thing they did. They went up the hill. So this is that text evidence as you see them, and it was written on the page, and also the story or the picture help you with that. All right, let's see a few details that they put. What happened first?
Details. First 6 chicks walk up a hill carrying farm tools. Detail. Then they dig holes to plant seeds in their garden. Detail. Then the 6 chicks pick blueberries.
Okay, so these are 3 details that happened. So remember, they took the farming tools, they went all the way, they dig hole, they plant their blueberries, and they picked their blueberries. What happened after that, after they picked the blueberries? All right, remember what happened? They were eating and they turned blue. So that would be 1 detail. Oops, and 2 pages together. Yeah. Please, 1 page only. Anyhow, yes. So this is the details we're gonna write. So we said that first they went and they went up the hill carrying their farm tools. And after that, they dig the holes and plant the seeds in their gardens. Later on, after a few days or weeks, they get their blueberries. So what happened? Remember on our page 40 and 41, they picked the blueberries and they became all blue because they were eating the blueberries. So what was that way to get them clean? They jump in a pond to get clean and clean up. And then they enjoy the end of their days. They had fun. As you see that last picture over here, when it says 6 kids like it here. So they enjoy their time. All right, let's see. I want to ask you, listen to this, and then we're going to ask you a question.
Clues. I figured out more about the farm from the picture on page 40.
So sometimes in order to come up with the ideas, you need to pay attention to the pictures and to the text. You need to pay attention to the picture, like that, the drawing, and what's written there, so you understand. And in these stories, they don't tell you all the details because we should learn and pick up pictures. Like over here, I know because before they turn blue, as you see them, they ate and they mess up themselves. So over here, they're cleaning up their bodies. So they are swimming in a pond to be clean. So this is a way I understand this from the picture. So that's why we need to pay attention to our drawing, our pictures, and the text, which is the information that's written there. All right. As we're still learning about living and where to live and how living in certain place affect you or affect your activity. So for example, let's listen to this question.
Your turn. Describe how where the 6 kids live affects what they do. Use text evidence to support your answer.
All right, because as you see, they are living in a farm, in the countryside in a farm. So their activity would be, they were planting, had their farmer tools or farm tools, they were planting, they plant fruits, they picked up the fruits, they ate it. And then after that, when they mess up themselves and they need to be clean, they jump in the pond because they're living in the farms. But for example, if these activities or these 6 kids are living in a city, they would be doing something different, right? Because where they live, describe where they live, help them or make them decide what kind of activity you will do. Like if I live in a mountain, I'll be doing hiking. I'll be doing maybe skiing if there is snow on a mountain. If I live on a beach, I'll be doing different activity like surfing or swimming or scuba diving. So activities that related to where I live. If I live in a busy city, I'll be taking public transportation because it's hard to find a place to park the car. So this is when we say that where you live affect what you do. All right. So this is what we covered for today. I'm gonna play the story one more time and I would like you to do something unique today. I will pause after each page and try to say after the video. So let's start.
6 kids. 6 kids go out.
And at the when we play it, you see the lights or the flash, the highlight goes over word by word. I would like you to point with your finger in your book.
6 kids go up a hill.
And as you see, we see the words that we learned today, out and up. They highlighted in yellow. Turn the page.
6 kids dig, dig, dig. 6 kids go down.
And again, we have the word down.
6 kids pick, pick, pick. 6 kids are very blue. 6 kids dip, dip, dip. That will fix it. 6 kids like it here.
So when you say and you look for details, you can use the illustration, which is a drawing or the picture, and you can use the text or the words that are written. You also need to make connection, like you describe your picture that's related to the text or the words you just read. Also, you need to say these in order. When you say details or information about something, you say on sequence, using sequence or using orders, that what's happened first, then next, then last. Okay, that's it for today, first graders. I'll leave you to have fun with the rest of the activity. Bye-bye.